Aloha, Kiara Mabuhay. Hello tasters, hello world. If you're new to my channel, my name is Franz Gabriel. Welcome to my channel, welcome to Luscious Taste, Homemade by Franz. Hey tasters, it's your girl Franz and welcome back to my kitchen. Today, we will be making caramel popcorn, but with a twist. I saw this video on YouTube that used bread for making popcorn and I was like, that's smart, that's genius, like, that guy should win a Nobel Peace Prize. Okay, like, it was smart. I was like, I want to test this out. So I did, and it was such an easy recipe to make, and it was super delicious. For today's recipe, I will be doubling it, but you can totally just do the regular recipe. The ingredients we will need are 2 slices of bread, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of butter, and 3 tablespoons of milk. The first thing we are going to do is cut our bread. I'm going to be using scissors for this step so that it's easier. Okay, I kind of put a little bit of indentation already just so that it's a bit more easier for me to cut it. And I'm going to cut it in a nice straight line. I try to cut it as evenly as possible, but don't worry if it's not that symmetrical. There. Now I'm going to chop them into cubes, or slice them, cut them. I'm going to get back to you after I finish cutting all my bread slices. The next step is to heat up our pan. I'm going to put it on a low heat because I want our bread to cook through very thoroughly and for it to be nice and crispy and crunchy. Okay. We're toasting our bread without oil because if we put in oil, the oil will kind of soak the outside and it just won't have a good texture. It will just be crispy on the outside but like not have that nice crunch we want. Our bread is finally starting to toast up. The bottom is kind of burning. Oops. Some pieces are burning, but some pieces are like nice and golden brown. Like that's what we wanted, but it's not cooking evenly because it's because of the induction cooker. Oh God! Oh God. Ugh. And now I'm going to transfer this bread back into a bowl. Okay, now we are going to make our caramel coating. It's not caramel popcorn without the caramel coating, or else it will just be croutons. Okay, I'm going to first add in our sugar and then water. I'm going to spread the water around just so that all our sugar gets nice and dissolved. I'm gonna use my spoon in here. And then I'm gonna let that sit for a bit until it becomes kind of golden. Not golden brown, golden. Just gonna let that cook. While I'm waiting for my caramel to brown, I'm going to line a baking sheet with some parchment paper so that we can spread our bread out once we finish coating them so that it doesn't stick to each other. Okay, I put the heat a bit higher so that our caramel browns faster, and it surely did. I'm going to lower the heat and then add in our butter and milk. Then milk. Be very careful. Then just let that melt a bit. Our caramel is kind of starting to thicken up. It looks really nice and golden. To test out if this is cooked enough, I take around a small amount of caramel and then drop it into a bit of water. And then kind of see if it evaporates into there or stays solid. There. This seems good enough, so I'm going to turn off the heat and then very quickly add in our bread and then mix that around. Make sure to coat the bread very evenly. Wow, that looks delicious. Look at that, that looks so good. I'm excited to eat it. I am now going to place it into our pan with parchment paper. Oh, it's okay. Look at that luscious caramel color. It's so vibrant. It looks so yummy. I'm salivating. Oh my God. I kind of burned myself, so be careful when coating your bread. But yum. If you can't buy popcorn, you can just use your own bread. That caramel tastes good. Okay everyone, it's taste test time and I once again have my little helper here and our caramel popcorn looks so good and luscious. I am so excited to dig in. Okay. Look at that, it's so well coated and it's so beautiful. the caramel coating is so glossy. It looks so luscious. Okay, I'm so excited. Cheers! Taste just like pops into your mouth. It's so wonderful and it's so sweet, but not like the sweet to the point where it like hurts your teeth. But it's like a nice mellow sweet. The color is vibrant and the taste is vibrant. It's like so lively, you know, like it just makes you want to dance. Like that's how good it is. This is super easy to make. Just follow the instructions, follow the recipe, watch the whole video, and you'll get perfect bread popcorn. Do you want one, Levi? Now if you're gonna have a movie night, you can just make this. It's super good. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please hit that like button, subscribe button, and the tiny bell icon to receive notifications of any new videos that I post. And if you have any comments or suggestions of what you think I should make next, then I will try to make it happen. Thank you all for watching this video. Happiness starts in the kitchen. Be positive, share love. Thank you for watching Luscious, homemade by Franz.